Yeah, man, blessed morning. Wonderful morning again. Give thanks for life. We're there. Yeah, man, just rise up in the morning and they are think of me. I say, yo. I think of me. I say, yo, me I wonder. The youth, them of Jamaica, yo. Me constantly have to think about the youths because I am a youth. You know, a little bit older now. But when me I think about the younger youths, you know, my little nephew them and my little cousin them and my little brethren them and thing. Or me I look upon it and me I think about certain things. Me I wonder how what really change in our culture and how we approach certain things. Because there's many layers to it. You know, you have a lot of factors, you know, a lot of just different changes in the culture, different way of life, you know. People would like say, boy, the youth them get soft and the youth them not grow tough like one time, but just changes, you know. Things will never remain the same, you know. So it's weird. And me I wonder, when me I grow up as a youth, me always have, alright, in my household, you know, my father, me never really live with my father. My father always a travel. So me grew up with my mother. My mother grow we. Me and my sister and my brother. Seeing? So for the most part, my father always out at work and I make sure say, yo, we good. So me have a great father, yo, provide, protect and everything, but he never really in the house every day. You know, my mother was the housewife, you know, and still is, you know. So we really basically grew up with my mother, me and my siblings, as me say, my mother, my sister, my brother, you know. But we always have solid male figures in the house because my uncle always devout, you know. Everybody know him as Uncle Ritz, you know. Them and they are general same way because we grew up literally like that man was who we really want to be like, you know, because he was the older one and he was the one where we look up to for guidance, you know, directly and indirectly. So my uncle was the one where always in the house, you know. My bigger brother same way, Bujo, big up yourself, you know. My uncle Reds, big up yourself. And I always have my next cousins where him there now too, you know. But them man they're solid throughout life, you know. My cousin Robert, yeah man, big up yourself, yo. Remember me tell you, you have a nice impact, not only in my life but the household. Everybody in the house respect my cousin Robert, you know me I say. So we always have male figures. So to me personally, the female them do a great job. Big up my mother. Boy, I couldn't ask for a better mother. You know, she never perfect. Nobody is perfect, but I have to take my hat off to my mother because we always have everything we need. You know, we always have basic needs, food, shelter, clothing, always got school, never hungry. You know, we grew up good. But you know, when we are turn teenagers now, you know, say more time, female just can't go control we as male when we are get bigger because, you know, testosterone and, you know, we are turn man. If I get deeper, we get taller and them things, they say you have to have man in the house. And at that, me I say we culture lacking, especially in Jamaica. We not really, the youth them not really have no solid male role model where them can look up to. You know, because before the internet and YouTube and everything, all we have was we surrounding. We bigger brother, we uncle, we cousin them, the man them round we look upon them as our little idol in the area. You get to me, I say, so when we look upon life now, most of the household them single parent household. And most of them is female. Because the man them are dead off, the man them are go to prison, and the woman them dead out. So basically females are raised the youth them. And there's nothing bad with that, but it can be, it not gonna be the right way, because boys need men to look up to. Me I tell you that, because me look up to my uncle, me look up to my bigger brother, me look up to my bigger cousin them, and them thing there. So now me a big man now, and kids live where them learn. So me take certain trait from my family members. That's why sometimes you will sound like a family member, you will act like a family member, because you mimic certain things, you duplicate certain things from who around you. So that's why you have to surround yourself with good people. So, you know, my father solid, my brother solid, my uncle them solid. So I an idea, me they have some solid role model, and that help shape me to become this person today, you know, and still growing. So me feel like at this with culture really lacking solid male role models. So the youth them now, them not have no father, them not have no solid uncle, them not have no solid brother to guide them and show them certain things. So them grow up come see certain things around them. For example, them grow up come see man a drink alcohol every morning, every day. Them grow up and see man a smoke weed, smoke cigarette every day. Them grow up come see man a gamble. Them grow up come see gun, violence. Them are gonna live that, because that is their reality. I mean, some youths will grow past that, but most youth are gonna adapt that trait what them see around them, you know, and then turn to the internet and them see these influencers and them get these traits, yo. That is not healthy. I mean, you have good influencers, but you have terrible and bad influencers. So the youth them not no guidance, yo. No real guidance. So that's how me think personally, and we need to get back to that. Because the youth them are the future. And if we not teach the youth them good, yo, it not gonna work out. The youth them are go straight. And that way really lacking as a culture. And we culture slowly a decline. To me personally, yo, we need to get back to the grassroots where we have some solid man in the community, in the area. We can show the youth them one and two things and guide the youth them. Because the youth them not take no talk again. Yes, so I say, because none of them make them own money, none of them not take no talk from not even them father nowadays. Because I don't know, brother, it all get worse. It go get worse. It have to get worse. Because if you not have the older man, they must set some example for the younger youth them, what you think go happen, yo. That's why so much you get caught up in a be a foolishness and be a madness, yo. But, you know, we just hope somebody can, you know, get the message and just try to be better, you know, because we have to understand, say, yo, kids live where them learn, and me have kids, so me I go try be the positive role model, so them can mimic what me do and carve out them own self when them get bigger, so them can understand, say, yo, me they see this, you know, because me can remember when me a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old, me can remember who did wrong me. I can remember who me did like, who me did dislike. So that's why it is very important if you know who you surround yourself with. You have to know that. And parents, you have to know who you bring around your kids. You have to know who you bring around. You're picking them because you're picking them to get information from everybody around them. May I tell you? So if you stay around them, say, show me your company, I'm going to tell you who you are. You have to know what you do. Yeah, man. So I just make a morning inspiration. So just bless up on yourself and just know, say, yo, the youth them out there, you don't have to do madness to be somebody. And you know, have to depend TikTok and social media, exalt yourself and all them foolishness there, yo. They can be better. There's much better out there. You don't have to take up the gun, you don't have to take up the knife, you don't have to rob, you don't have to scam. You can literally be who you are. Whole heap of talent. You can be a welder, you can be a electrician, you can be a plumber, You can be an artist. You can be a painter. You can be a carpenter. So much. You can be a mechanic. What about those trades where people used to use back in the day? And nowadays the youth them think say, yo, a gun or nothing. A gun or a bus. You know? So big up the taxi driver, them big up the youth them out there. The man them were a weld, the man them were a mason, the man them were a plumber, electrician. We have to big up them man there, because without them man there, what do you think will go happen? Society will crash. So I just say that, but just big up on yourself and know say everything good. Yeah man, life is for the living. When you're dead, you're dead. Boom. Alright, big voice.